Most people think fasting means starving. No breakfast, no snacks, just long hours of hunger and fatigue. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock all the incredible benefits of fasting, like improved energy, clearer thinking, and faster cellular repair without skipping meals? Yes, it's possible. And the secret lies in one of the world's oldest, most trusted foods, olive oil. Scientists now call it a fasting mimetic, meaning it can trick your body into entering fasting mode even when you're still consuming small amounts of healthy fat. That means your body begins to clean up old, damaged cells, flush out toxins, and spark the powerful renewal process known as autophagy, all while you keep feeling nourished and satisfied. Now, here's why this is so important. After age 50, our cells don't renew as quickly as they used to. This slowdown can lead to low energy, brain fog, and stubborn weight gain. But by gently reactivating autophagy, using something as simple as olive oil, you can help your body refresh itself from the inside out. This method isn't extreme, expensive, or risky. It's natural, science-supported, and surprisingly easy to start. So in today's video, we'll break down exactly how the olive oil fasting hack works, how it boosts autophagy within days, and how you can safely try it at home for better energy, focus, and graceful aging. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is autophagy? The word autophagy comes from Greek, auto meaning self, and phage meaning to eat. So quite literally, it means self-eating. Now, that might sound strange or even a little scary, but in truth, it's one of the most important survival processes in your body. Autophagy is your body's natural recycling system. It's how your cells clean out old, damaged parts and replace them with strong, healthy ones. You can think of it like spring cleaning for your body. Just like your home feels fresher when you clear out clutter, your cells function better when they remove waste and repair themselves. This process happens quietly inside you, in your brain, your liver, your heart, and even your skin. It's what helps you keep young and resilient at the cellular level. But here's the catch. After age 50, autophagy naturally slows down. Our body becomes less efficient at cleaning up old cells and more likely to let damaged ones linger. That means more cellular junk, which can lead to low energy, slower metabolism, brain fog, joint stiffness, and even early signs of aging. In fact, researchers now believe that a decline in autophagy is one of the main reasons we experience age-related issues like chronic inflammation, weaker immunity, and muscle loss. But here's the good news. Autophagy isn't lost forever. You can reactivate it naturally, even later in life, through small daily habits like intermittent fasting, exercise, good sleep, and certain foods, especially those rich in healthy fats and polyphenols, like olive oil. When autophagy switches back on, your body starts to clean house again. Old, malfunctioning cells get broken down, and the useful parts are reused to build new efficient cells. That's why many people notice more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and even sharper focus when they support this process. Aging doesn't have to mean constant decline. It simply means your body needs a little help keeping up with its natural maintenance work. And that's where smart, simple strategies like the olive oil fasting hack come in, helping to trigger autophagy gently, safely, and effectively. So now that you understand what autophagy is and why it matters so much after 50, let's explore how olive oil can actually switch this process back on, even within a few days. Most people know olive oil as a healthy cooking fat, great for your heart, your skin, and your joints. But what many don't realize is that olive oil is more than just food. It's actually a metabolic tool, a way to guide your body into a fasting-like state even when you're still consuming calories. That's why we call it the secret fasting companion. To understand why, let's look at what happens inside your body when you fast. During a traditional fast, your body runs out of easy fuel like sugar and carbs and starts burning fat instead. This shift encourages your cells to repair and recycle themselves, which is the foundation of autophagy. But not everyone can handle long fasting windows or total food restriction, especially after age 50. Extended fasting can cause fatigue, dizziness, or even disrupt blood sugar levels. That's where olive oil offers a smart middle ground. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful compounds called polyphenols. These natural antioxidants help reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and support your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. When you consume a small amount of olive oil, such as 1 tablespoon, it gives your body a slow, clean energy source without spiking blood sugar or stopping autophagy. So instead of your body saying, "Oh, food is here, stop fasting," it stays in a fat-fueled state. In simple terms, olive oil keeps your metabolism in repair mode instead of storage mode. Think of it like putting your body into a gentle state of fasting, one that nourishes your cells while still encouraging them to clean, recycle, and renew themselves. That's why many nutrition experts now describe olive oil as a fasting-friendly fat. It doesn't send the body into storage mode. Instead, it keeps you in a fat-burning, repair-focused state, the same condition you'd experience during a longer fast. This is particularly important for people over 50 because our bodies become more sensitive to blood sugar fluctuations and slower at switching between burning carbs and fat. Olive oil helps bridge that gap. And there's more. Studies have found that olive oil's polyphenols can actually activate the same cellular pathways involved in autophagy. That means while it nourishes your body, it's also quietly encouraging your cells to clear out damaged components and regenerate. Another reason olive oil is such a perfect fasting companion is its gentle effect on digestion. Unlike heavy meals, it soothes the gut and supports bile flow, which helps your body process fats more efficiently. Many people notice less bloating and smoother digestion when they add olive oil during fasting hours. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy the restorative power of fasting without hunger or fatigue, a tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil could be the perfect companion. It's simple, natural, and backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. In the next part, we'll explore how this fat-fueled fasting effect actually works inside your body and why olive oil can help your cells shift from aging mode to repair mode, even in just a few days. When most people hear the word fasting, they imagine long hours of hunger, low energy, and an empty stomach. But the truth is, your body doesn't respond to fasting because you stop eating. It responds because of what happens inside your cells when your fuel source changes. This is where the fat-fueled fasting effect comes in. Under normal conditions, your body relies on carbohydrates or glucose for energy. It's quick, easy, and available. But after about 10 to 12 hours without eating, your body begins to shift gears. It starts to burn stored fat instead of sugar. When this happens, your liver produces special molecules called ketones. These ketones are like clean burning fuel for your brain and cells. They reduce inflammation, improve mental clarity, and signal your body to activate autophagy, that deep cellular repair process we discussed earlier. Now, here's the fascinating part. Consuming a small amount of healthy fat, like extra virgin olive oil, can help your body enter this fat-burning mode faster and more comfortably. That's because olive oil provides pure, stable energy without raising blood sugar or insulin levels, two things that normally shut down autophagy. So instead of your body saying, "Oh, food is here, stop fasting," it stays in a fat-fueled state. In simple terms, olive oil keeps your metabolism in repair mode instead of storage mode.
This balance is incredibly powerful for adults over 50. As we age, our metabolic flexibility, or our ability to switch between burning carbs and fat, becomes weaker. That's one reason many people feel tired or crave sugar during fasting. Olive oil helps bridge that gap by giving your body a steady stream of clean, fat-based energy. You feel satisfied, calm, and energized without interrupting the cellular benefits of fasting. In addition, olive oil's polyphenols, those antioxidant compounds found in high-quality extra virgin olive oil, play a crucial role. They protect your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside each cell that turn fuel into energy. When mitochondria stay healthy, you experience higher energy levels, sharper memory, and better physical endurance. So this fat-fueled fasting effect is not just about skipping meals. It's about shifting your body's entire energy system. You're teaching your cells to burn fat more efficiently, repair themselves more effectively, and create less oxidative stress in the process. And the best part? It feels sustainable. There's no crash, no intense hunger, and no mental fog. You stay clear, balanced, and gently push your body into its natural state of self-renewal. In the next section, we'll talk about how to safely practice the olive oil fasting hack at home, step by step, so you can experience these powerful benefits for yourself within just a few days. Now that you understand how olive oil helps your body mimic fasting, let's talk about how to actually do the olive oil fasting hack safely and effectively. The first and most important rule is simplicity. This isn't about starving yourself or skipping meals for long periods. It's about supporting your body during its natural repair window with clean, gentle nourishment. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Choose the right olive oil. Not all olive oils are created equal. To get the full benefits, look for a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed, unrefined, and stored in a dark glass bottle. These are rich in polyphenols, the compounds that help activate autophagy and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Avoid cheap, blended, or light olive oils, which often lose their nutrients during processing. Step 2. Timing matters. The ideal time to take olive oil is during your fasting window, typically in the morning or between 10 to 12 hours after your last meal. You can take 1 tablespoon of olive oil on its own, or with a small pinch of sea salt if you prefer. Some people even add a drop of lemon juice to make it more palatable. The key is to avoid combining it with carbs or sugars, because those will instantly raise insulin levels and stop the fasting process. Olive oil alone, however, keeps you in fat-burning mode. Step 3. Support your body with hydration. During this time, it's essential to drink plenty of water. You can also enjoy green tea or black coffee. Both support the fasting process without breaking it. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins and keeps digestion smooth. Step 4. Combine it with light movement. A gentle morning walk or a few minutes of stretching after taking olive oil can improve fat utilization and circulation. It helps your cells access stored fat more efficiently while keeping you energized. And step 5. Listen to your body. If you feel lightheaded or unusually tired, adjust your fasting window. Start small, maybe 10 hours, and gradually work your way up as your body adapts. This hack should make you feel lighter and more focused, not deprived or weak. It's also important to check with your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medications for blood sugar, cholesterol, or blood pressure. Olive oil is safe for most people, but when you start changing how your body uses energy, your medication needs might shift slightly. When practiced correctly, this simple olive oil fasting routine can help you reset your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and gently activate autophagy, all without intense fasting or complicated diets. Remember, healthy aging isn't about chasing youth. It's about balance. With 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the right timing, and mindful consistency, you can support your body's natural renewal process safely and effectively. Up next, we'll explore the exciting part, the benefits you can actually feel within just a few days of starting this simple routine. Now that you know how to safely practice the olive oil fasting hack, let's talk about the part everyone looks forward to, the results. Because when your body begins to activate autophagy and shift into fat-fueled mode, the changes can be surprisingly noticeable even within just a few days. The first thing many people experience is more stable energy. When your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat, your energy no longer crashes after meals. Instead, it becomes steady, calm, and reliable throughout the day. You'll wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and less dependent on caffeine or snacks to keep you going. The second change you might notice is mental clarity. Those frustrating moments of brain fog, forgetfulness, or mental sluggishness often fade as your cells start to repair themselves. Ketones, the clean fuel your body makes when burning fat, are especially good for the brain. They provide a more stable energy source for your neurons, helping you stay sharp, focused, and alert. Next, there's digestive comfort. Olive oil helps lubricate your digestive system, support bile flow, and balance gut bacteria. Many people report less bloating, smoother digestion, and even relief from occasional constipation after just a few days. You may also notice improved mood and sleep quality. Because olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds and supports hormone balance, your body feels more at ease. Stable blood sugar and reduced inflammation lead to more restful sleep and a calmer, happier mood throughout the day. Another noticeable benefit is healthier-looking skin. When your cells begin to renew through autophagy, they clear away damaged components that can make your skin look dull or tired. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil also nourish your skin from within, helping it appear smoother and more hydrated. For many people over 50, one of the most exciting changes is better metabolism and easier weight control. By encouraging your body to burn fat instead of sugar, the olive oil fasting hack helps reset your metabolic rhythm. This doesn't mean rapid or extreme weight loss. It's about balance. Over time, your body becomes more efficient, reducing stubborn midsection fat and promoting a leaner, more energized feeling. And finally, one of the deepest benefits of all, cellular renewal. Even though you can't see it happening, your body is quietly cleaning up old cells, repairing damage, and generating healthier ones. This is the foundation of longevity, feeling younger from the inside out. Now remember, everyone's body is unique. Some people notice results within a few days, while others may take a week or two. The key is consistency. 1 single tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, taken mindfully each day, can help your body return to its natural rhythm of repair, balance, and vitality. So start simple. Be patient with your body. And before long, you may just notice that you're waking up with more energy, clearer focus, and a renewed sense of wellness, all from one small but powerful daily habit. So, as we wrap up, remember this. Healthy aging isn't about chasing youth. It's about giving your body the tools to thrive at every stage of life. Autophagy, fasting, olive oil, these aren't trends. They're time-tested ways of helping your body do what it was designed to do: heal, renew, and restore itself. Even small, simple choices, like taking that 1 spoonful of olive oil before your fast, can spark incredible changes inside you. More energy, sharper focus, calmer digestion, and a body that feels lighter and more alive, day by day. So, if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who's also on a journey towards better health after 50. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Senior Health with Grace, where every week we share science-backed natural tips to help you age gracefully, live energetically, and feel your best. Because your second half of life can truly be your strongest. All it takes is a little knowledge, a little consistency, and a whole lot of grace.